Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two drones that promise to take your aerial photography to new heights. On the left, we have the VISNEE newest drone, and on the right, the Gloral drone with 4K camera RC Quadcopter. Which one will reign supreme? Let's find out. First up, the camera. VISNEE comes with a 1080p HD camera that's adjustable up to 90 degrees. Reviewers say it offers decent visuals but lacks an electronic stabilizer which affects image quality. Meanwhile, Gloral boasts a 4K camera with a 110 degrees wide-angle lens and a 90 degrees adjustable angle. Reviewers are impressed by its top-notch image quality, making it ideal for professional-grade photos and videos. Next, let's talk flight modes. VISNEE is equipped with one key takeoff landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and a few flips, perfect for beginners. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity and ease of use. Gloral, on the other hand, offers advanced modes like GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. Reviewers highlight its versatility and advanced features, making it suitable for more experienced users. Battery life is crucial. VISNEE comes with two batteries that give you a total of 30 minutes of flight time. Some reviewers were disappointed with its short battery life. Gloral offers 46 minutes of flight time, with reviewers praising its impressive battery life, ideal for extended use. Now, let's talk about the big one. Price. VISNEE is a steal at just $59. Reviewers find it to be a good budget option despite some quality issues. Gloral, on the other hand, is priced at $179. Reviewers feel it offers good value for its advanced features and high quality. Finally, portability. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases. Reviewers appreciate VISNEE's clever folding design for easy transport. Gloral is also compact and lightweight, making it perfect for travel. Both are highly portable and convenient to carry. Overall, reviewers find VISNEE to be a good, budget-friendly option with decent features, though some experienced quality issues. Gloral is praised for its advanced features, excellent image quality, and longer battery life, making it a great choice for both amateurs and professionals. So which drone is right for you? If you're a beginner, on a budget, or just looking for some fun, VISNEE is an excellent choice. But if you want higher quality images, longer flight time, and a bunch of fancy features, Gloral is your go-to. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly high and buy smart.